Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sidlo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video guys. So Mnakwethu, the reunion aired on the 20th of September guys, so I've decided to do a quick review. So here's how it went. So let's start with Mashamase, who is probably the most recognized to ever come out of season 3, you guys, who had one of the most biggest outrage as she almost got into a physical altercation with her husband's girlfriend Mnakwethu. Mnakwethu insulted Mashamase after she told her that she too wants what she has, referring to her husband, and also stated that she wants to help her in her relationship, which struck Mashamase's nerve, you guys, to a point where she almost hit Mnakwethu. Now, at the reunion, Mashamase stated and stood firm in saying that there is no ways that she will allow her husband to take Mnakwethu as a second wife or any other woman. She compared her husband as a car and said that you can get into a company car and drive it for years and still the car does not belong to you but the company. So Mnakwethu can sleep with her man, but he does not belong to her, you guys. Mashamase was asked who is in charge in the relationship. She responded by saying that her husband is in charge as he is the head of the house, you guys. But however, he did not tell her that he intended on taking a second wife at the beginning of their relationship, which is why she will not allow him to take a second wife. Now, Mnakwethu, who is the side chick, said that Mashamase did not show her any respect in the beginning after she went with Mashamase to her to plead with her to ask for her approval in marrying Shamase. And in that moment, she knew that they were never going to get along, you guys. Mashamase was asked if she is willing to sit down with Mnakwethu and maybe allow her to become a second wife since Mnakwethu has a child with her husband, you guys. She responded by saying no, she wants nothing to do with her, and that if her husband wants her as a second wife, then she is leaving and divorcing him, as she wants nothing to do with September, guys. Now that's the end of this review, guys. Please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Bye.